What is going on, everybody? Welcome to a brand new video. Hope all you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are all feeling good, getting through it. I know college is almost over, Christmas break is almost there. Everyone hang through it. But today I bring you guys a brand new video. Today's episode, we will be changing out these reverse lights. So I'll show you guys what they look like before. So it is the factory kind of yellow bulb, and we are switching them out for like the white light LEDs, brights. It's a little small modification that I feel like makes a big change. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, guys, here are the factory colors. It's like that yellowish color. You guys know what I'm talking about. Doesn't really look the best, looks very outdated. Feel like a nice white light would look better. Let's open up the bulb and get started. And here they are, new bulbs I will be putting in. So if you guys are looking for the part, got these off eBay. So stock and then new. Now let's see what we have to do. So first thing first, we do have to take off this panel on this side as well as this side. So I'm gonna get my toolkit real quick and I'll be right back. All right, guys. Got your tool pry kit. You guys got to take out these little pieces right here. So you stick in your pry kit right here, pull them out. I got ahead of myself. I already did all that. Once you do that, then you just kind of pull up, take that off. Next, we get to the housing. So I got to grab one tool and then I'll show you guys exactly what we have to do back here. All right, so you guys don't specifically need these. You guys could grab a wrench or anything really, but it's really hard to get down there. But what you guys have to do is get this little object right here. So it's gonna be like straight up. You're just gonna pull it and you guys are gonna go that way. So once you get that, you can pull it out and there you have your factory bulb. So taking it off is really easy if you have two hands. Just grab it by the little rim right here, pull down, and with the other hand pull the bulb straight up, and that's it. So now we'll drop this bulb. I'm gonna open up this one and put it in there, so just give me 1 second. All right, so I got my bulb on. Stick it back in. You guys stick it in at like a little turn and then it goes in, and then hand tight it much as possible. Get whatever you're using. Open it up. Really hard to do one-handed. Tight and turn until it is straight up and down. I'll do the same thing on that side, and then, well, actually, let's get a comparison. All right, let's see this comparison. Oh, wow. I don't know if you guys can see that on camera. So we got the nasty yellow. Now we got the nice bright white. Really gives it a better look. So you guys can see that. So let's get that other side taken care of. Something I forgot to mention, guys, on the bulb, so on this side, as you guys could see, it has a metal piece. Same thing on the other side, it has it on the bottom. So when you do take out this bulb, same thing. On one side it has the metal piece, on the other side it doesn't. So let me take this off so you guys could see that. So this side has a metal piece, top part doesn't. On this side the bottom does and the top doesn't. So set the bulb aside and you can see in here, so the metal piece right there and the metal piece on top. There it is on top. So same thing, you just got to line up the metal part with the metal part, and then that's it. So I'm gonna get back to you guys once I get that in there, and then I'll show you guys what to do to put the plastic back on, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, we got the other bulb in. Boom, the white. How do you guys like this looks good. Does look a little weird. You guys can see like a little bit blue, but can't really see that blue bulb at all. Nice and white light. So let's get the plastics on now. So this side plastic, just line it up. That big rubber part right there. Oh, gotta move that plastic. So just line that up, and then to put these in place, you just pick it up, line up the hole, use your thumb, put it in place. Same thing, pick it up. Okay, so that one's already in. Push it in. Same thing here. So just make sure it lines up in that hole. And then down here, you gotta make sure. Great. I'm gonna have to take the whole plastic piece off because I forgot to line this part up first. So we're just gonna do this side. All right, so this time, let's start down here, put the plastic piece on, and then line up everything. And I did, oh, never mind. I thought I lost it. It's right here. So put that on, snap. Oh. Okay, let me find out what the heck that is. Okay, maybe that solved it. I think we are good. So that piece is in. Need to redo that piece and then I will get back to you guys. So I just got done putting everything back together. I'd say mission accomplished because didn't lose any of these. So it's always major success. Great thing about this packaging is that you could slide this back piece back on, depending on how you open it, I guess. And now you could store your stock ones in case you ever need those. So let me put these down. Close the trunk, find my keys. Boom. New look. I think it looks good. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments below. I really like the lights. Really added a I guess, it's like a small thing, but I think it really changed it. I really like it. Next, we are gonna have to find those lights, put those on. But Camaro build is coming together slowly, guys. Do have an update for you guys about the box that's been showing here. And there's also a little other mod right there. If you guys guess it, you guys guess it. But I talked to a company down in, I'm gonna keep that a secret also. You guys could guess that too. But I talked to a company in California. I'm gonna be going down there in December. And we're getting tuned finally. And we will get this item and one other item on there. So that's a cool little update. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog / install video. Stay tuned, guys. That tune is coming with I'd say like 2 surprises. It will be very exciting. Hope you guys all have an amazing day. Can't wait, guys. Till next video. Peace.